Hello boys and girls, welcome back to our AI lessons. Today we're learning something very important, how to use AI safely. Rule number 1, never share private information. Don't tell AI your home address, your school name, your parents' phone numbers, or your passwords. Those things are private, just like your house keys. Rule number 2, if something AI says looks strange, scary, or confusing, ask an adult for help. A teacher, parent, or guardian. AI can make mistakes sometimes. Rule number 3, always think before you believe. AI tries its best, but it's not always right. If something sounds wrong, check with an adult or your teacher. Rule number 4, be kind when talking to AI. Use polite words. Whatever you type or say shows the kind of person you are. Your turn. Think of one safety rule you will use every time you chat with AI. Say it out loud. Great work, boys and girls. In the next lesson, we'll learn all the fun ways AI can help you at home, at school, and even in games. See you next time.